we have a block here. And it's between two court cards. So this would mean that something or someone is kind of trying to get in the middle of things here. So it's an outside interference. It doesn't necessarily have to be a person, but with us having two people cards here, I would say that that's what's going on. So let's have a look and see where we're at with this. Yeah, there's somebody that's kind of been a little bit deceitful here. So they're trying to get in the way of things, trying to cause a problem, trying to leave like unrest. Okay, these are emotions that we don't like, the moon. It's kind of where we're confused, we feel like we're being deceived, or we are deceiving ourselves. So and there's the conflict card. So they could actually be causing you to have arguments with another person. So this could be somebody you're involved with romantically, and there's somebody in the middle of all of this here. Now we've got the Eight of Swords as well, so this is kind of not being able to see the full picture. Just so you know, Two of Cups is popping out behind there, and the Six of Cups is there. So this could be a very important connection of yours, or something you're trying to get moving forward, but there seems to be all of these blocks and issues and obstacles, and it's becoming a nightmare. Now, you've got a lot of Swords cards out there as well, which means that this is mentally draining, and this is a mental block. So it could be that another person is talking to your person and saying things, putting things in their head. This could be family, this could be friends, this could be an ex. There's a lot going on here, but it's all mental, okay? So your person may be making decisions based upon other people's opinions, and it may be proving difficult. We have the Page of Cups there, so we have love, we have feelings and emotions tied up in this from you and your person. And like I said, we saw the Two of Cups and the Six of Cups. So you're trying to get to that place with your person, but it's proving overwhelming and difficult. It's becoming a bit of a burden. The balance is off. It could even be making you feel quite down because you can't seem to get through to your person because this other person is now could be, like I say, family. So your person's going to listen to them because they think they have the best interests at heart, but it's not always the case, as all of you probably know. So we have a moment coming here where a decision is made or an opinion is formed that takes you out of this kind of no man's land. So we have the Hanged Man. What I will say about the Hanged Man is it's always kind of like change your mindset on this, change your perspective on this. How can you outsmart the other people? It's not that you want to play a game, but how can you kind of help your person understand that it's about you two, it's not about anybody else or anybody else's opinions. So there's a moment coming there where you kind of manage to get out of this pause. That's how it's being described. You feel like you can't move forward because as soon as you get over one thing, there's another thing. The outcome is good, and the outcome is a bit of a fresh start here with a success. But I think just be mindful. I'm just going to get some star signs for you. Just be mindful that there's a lot going on. There's a lot of air signs showing in this read. There's also earth signs and water signs. Just kind of, yeah, Pisces, Virgo, Gemini, and Earth. So yeah, pretty much as I read then, I feel as though you just need to kind of keep going, and an opportunity there with the Judgment will come that will lift you out of this block.